How much does Shopify POS cost? If you are a store owner, chances are you have heard of Shopify Point of Sale. But what is it? And how much does it cost? Keep listening to find out. Shopify POS is a point of sale system that lets you sell your products in person. It is a great option for store owners who want to have the flexibility to sell both online and in person. With Shopify Point of Sale, you can accept payments, track inventory, and manage orders all in one place. Click the link down below to get your personal price quote. There are two types of Shopify POS, the Shopify Lite plan and the Pro Shopify plan. The Lite plan is actually included with all Shopify plans and has basic features such as the ability to accept credit card payments and track inventory. The Pro Shopify POS plan does have a nominal monthly fee per month, but allows for unlimited cash registers and includes all of the features of the Lite plan, plus additional features such as unlimited store staff, smart inventory management, staff roles and permissions, and in-store analytics. Shopify Point of Sale is a great option for store owners who want to be able to sell both online and in person. With Shopify POS, you can accept payments, track inventory, and manage orders all in one place. Click the link below to speak with an expert about which plan is right for you.